Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about possessive sentences. In Macedonian, we have possessive pronominal adjectives. So if you remember, we've talked about the adjectives that they can change, they must change according to the noun. So here we have the same rule for these possessive pronouns. So that's why we call them possessive pronominal adjectives. Okay, and now I'm going to give you the list here of their main shapes, their root shapes also, and that's also the masculine form of them. So we start. My in Macedonian means Moј. Moј. Your, like second person singular, means Tvoj. Tvoj. His and also its. We say Negov. Negov. Her is Neјzin. Neјzin. Our in Macedonian means Naš. Naš. Your second person plural is Vaš. Vaš. Their in Macedonian is Nivni. Nivni. Okay, one more time. Moj, Tvoj, Negov, Neјzin, Naš, Vaš, Nivni. Good. As I already mentioned, these are the masculine forms of the possessive pronouns. Okay, so they also have feminine forms, neutral forms, and plural forms. Okay, so I'm going to give you one example, and I'm only going to use the shape for the first person singular. Okay, my in Macedonian Moј, but I'm going to use in all of its forms. For example, let's say my phone. My phone in Macedonian means Moj telefon. Moj telefon. Because of telephone, which is a masculine noun, I have to use Moj. Okay, so Moj telefon. Then we can go on with my house, for example. House in Macedonian means КУťа. КУťа. It's a feminine word, so it can't be Moj КУťа. It must be Моја КУťа. I have to change the possessive pronoun, okay? And I have to make it in a feminine form. Моја КУťа. Then, for example, my child. My child. Child in Macedonian means ДЕТЕ. ДЕТЕ. And this is a neutral word, so I have to use the neutral form of the possessive pronoun. So my child cannot be Moj ДЕТЕ or Моја ДЕТЕ. It must be Moje ДЕТЕ, the neutral form of the possessive pronoun. Okay, Moje ДЕТЕ. And as for the plural, let's say my shoes. And if we talk about my shoes, we have to use the plural form, right? So shoes in Macedonian is ЧЕВЛИ. ЧЕВЛИ is the plural, so also my should be in its plural form, and it will be Мои ЧЕВЛИ. Мои ЧЕВЛИ. Okay, good. Once again, I'm going to repeat the words. So, Moj telefon, Моја КУťа, Мое дете, мои ЧЕВЛИ. Great. So, in Macedonian, when we are making a sentence, we have to be careful with the subject, because the subject usually gets the definite article. Okay, remember ot, ta, to, te. So basically, if we want to use my phone in a sentence as a subject, we should say the my phone, something like that. So we don't use it like moj telefon only. We have to say mojot telefon, both with the article. Okay, good. So for example, my phone is on the table. Let's say mojot telefon e na masata. My phone isn't working. Mojot telefon ne работи. I put от next to moj because it's a subject. It's the subject in the sentence. Okay. Then we can say my house is big. My house is big. Мојата куќа е голема. Мојата куќа е голема. My child doesn't speak English. Моето дете не зборува англиски. Моето дете не зборува англиски. Okay? My shoes are new. My shoes are new. Here we have one more adjective. That means that we have to change that adjective also according to the noun. So, моите чевли се нови. Моите чевли се нови. Нови because of shoes. When we want to make a question, we use the word chi. Chi. And this also has 4 shapes. We have chi, chia, chie, chi. And the meaning of chi is whose. For example, whose car is white? Let's say. Чија кола, because of кола we have to use чија, е бела. Чија кола е бела. Whose car is white? Everything changes according to the noun. Okay? So, my car is white. Мојата кола е бела. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you for your watching, and if you have any question, you can write down in the comment section also. You can share this video with your friends, and see you in my next one. Have a good day. Ciao!